This is my toolbox we got from Jtech diesel program, and in the top drawer I got all my sockets. And as you can see, I am kind of not up to date with my metric sockets, but I do have my socket organizers for my standard sockets. Now I am missing a lot, as you can see, but that's the first drawer. Now the second one, I got all my cable cutters, pliers, got my feeler gauge, and here I got all my Phillips head screwdrivers, flatheads, socket nuts, or screwdriver nuts, my chisels, my punch, scraper, I got all my wrenches organized. These are metric. Here I got all my big standard wrenches, along with my torque wrench. And down here, got my DeWalt drill. Now over here, I got all my extensions and my ratchets. Standard wrenches, not as organized as I'd like them to be. I got my gloves, my razor blades, flashlight. Now I'm missing a lot of impact sockets, but these are all the impact sockets. Haven't gotten to use them very much yet, hoping we can. And last but not least, I got my hammers, wire brush, mallet. Comes in handy a lot. So far we've used the hammers for knocking out pistons, but over here it's a nice addition. Got me a rubber glove holder. Now, it's magnetic, so it's right there whenever you need it. And that's about it. That's my toolbox.